What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check your credit inquiry history on Credit Karma. So to check your credit inquiry history on Credit Karma, all you got to do is follow these simple steps that I've laid out. And the first, of course, is to log into your Credit Karma account. You can do that on the mobile app if you have that, or you can do that from the website. So you just use your computer to log onto the website, and then log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, you want to click on the credit score tab, and here you can view your credit inquiry history, and that shows all the times that you've applied for credit. Here you can also track changes to your credit inquiry history over time. And don't forget to use Credit Karma's credit inquiry calculator to see how your credit inquiry affects your overall credit score. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to check your credit inquiry history on Credit Karma. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.